The last loop construct that we are going to learn about is a do loop or do while loop, which is a variation of while loop. A do loop always executes the body of the loop at least once, in contrast to the while loop, in which if the condition is false from the beginning, the body of the loop will never execute. So we use do loops in situations in which we need the body of the loop to be executed at least once. We can use it when we need to read the data and we know that the code will only execute after user inputs the data. So we need to process at least one piece of data. The syntax of do loop is the keyword do and a block of code, which are the loop's body, and then we have while, condition, and semicolon. Don't forget this semicolon here. In this example here, we output a menu to the user which has two options, more and quit. If user inputs more, we will process the data, and otherwise we will quit. So we just need to declare the variable response here, and then we initialize it with the input data. And after the first run of the loop's body, we will check if the value is equal to quit or not. So I'm just gonna fix the header so that we can see the output. So here's the menu, more and quit. So if I input more, the statement here in the body of loop will be executed, and then we will check if the response is equal to quit or not. And since it's not, it will show the menu again. This time I will quit. This time the while condition will be evaluated to false, so we exit the do while loop and the program will halt. If we want to rewrite this code using while structure, we need to copy the body of loop once outside the while. So I'm gonna copy all this part to here, and then we will have the while with its condition and the body of the loop, and we don't need the semicolon anymore. So here again, the body of loop will be executed at least once, but having the same set of statements twice, especially in longer codes, doesn't make that much sense. So we can use do while structure to make our code more readable and more concise. So I test the program to make sure it works exactly as do while structure. So when the user inputs more, this while condition will be evaluated to true, so the body of loop will be executed. Otherwise, if the user inputs quit, we will skip the loop's body and exit the program.